The Center for Energy Efficiency and Building Science is a division of the workforce development at Hudson Valley Community College. And what we do there is we train contractors and other interested individuals in how to evaluate homes to find health and safety problems and energy efficiency problems. At CEIBS, we offer a variety of courses, and they range from entry-level courses such as building air sealing and insulation and basics of building science online to building analyst and other professional level courses for people that are getting ready to go into this field and work from the level of the installer on up to someone that's going to be evaluating homes and developing comprehensive work scopes. At CEIBS, we offer a couple of introductory courses for people that don't have a background in this type of work. Basic air sealing and insulation is a course designed to get somebody ready to be an installer of air sealing and insulation measures. And there are several certifications offered through BPI related to that course. Another course that we offer is the Basics of Building Science Online. There's not a certification for this course. What it does is it provides you with some fundamental background that's necessary to go on to other classes such as Building Analyst. And what a building analyst does is uses a number of different tools and techniques and process of investigating in a home to find out all the health and safety and energy efficiency related problems. They use this information to develop a comprehensive work scope, which when those measures are installed, the people save a lot of money and they have a more healthful, safe environment to live in. With Building Analyst as a prerequisite course, we have a number of professional level courses that you can take. They would include Envelope Professional, Heating Professional, Air Conditioning and Heat Pump Professional, and HERS Rater.